In this video, you'll learn how to set up two-way calendar sync in Pipedrive so your schedule stays perfectly organized across both your CRM and your calendar. By the end, your meetings and tasks will stay perfectly aligned between Pipedrive and your calendar so you never double book or miss a follow-up. Start in Pipedrive and look to the top right of the screen. Click your profile icon to open the user menu, then choose Personal Preferences. This is where all your account-level controls live, including notifications, scheduling, and most importantly for today, your calendar settings. On the left-hand side, select Calendar Sync. This page connects Pipedrive to services like Google Calendar or Outlook. If you haven't linked to Calendar before, click to add your account and follow the prompts to sign in. You'll be asked to grant permissions so Pipedrive can read and write events. Accept these so the connection can update both ways. If your calendar has multiple sub-calendars, pick the one you actually use for work to keep things clean. Once your account is added, click Start Sync. Here's where you'll choose how information moves. Select Two-Way Sync. Two-Way Sync means events you create or edit in Pipedrive will appear in your calendar, and changes you make in your calendar will reflect back in Pipedrive. It's the best option if you live in your calendar but also need your deals and activities to stay accurate inside the CRM. Continue through the setup prompts. You'll typically choose a default calendar where Pipedrive writes events. Decide whether to sync all events or only those related to Pipedrive activities, and set privacy options for how activity details show up. If you prefer discretion, mark synced items as busy or private, so only you see the specifics in your external calendar. Give the system a moment to pull everything in. The first sync can take a short while depending on how many events you have. A helpful tip is to avoid connecting multiple tools to the same calendar for two-way syncing at once, as that can create duplicates. If you notice anything off, refresh your browser. Double-check the selected calendar and confirm that time zone and working hours are set correctly. To confirm it's working, create a quick test event in Pipedrive and check that it appears in your calendar. Then, create an event in your calendar and verify it shows back in Pipedrive. That's it. Your two-way sync is live, keeping your schedule consistent wherever you work. You're all set to keep your calendar and Pipedrive perfectly in sync. If this helped, subscribe for more simple tutorials to streamline your workflow and stay on top of your schedule.